Hello everybody, I hope you guys are ready for this video because today is going to be like an all-in-one surf tutorial. It's just going to be super simple and it's going to be everything that you need to know about how to surf. So, I'll just go and get right into it on the basics on how to do exactly what I'm doing right now and just how to, I guess, surf around, and then I'll get into some slightly more complex areas. But if you want an in-depth guide on like speed or console commands, check out those videos. But now, here's how you just surf basically, okay? This is probably what most of you guys are here for, so all you have to go and do is first find a ramp. And step one, obviously, is just going to be jump off and go to the ramp. And if you hold nothing, you're just going to kind of slide down like this. That's completely fine. Step one is that when you're on the ramp, or really once you're off the starting platform, never hold W or A. Because if you look, this is me holding W and trying to surf. As you can see, I just slide down no matter what I do. Of course, if you hold S, then you'll just stop moving and go backwards. So the only buttons you can press are A and D. Super important, never press W. If it works for you, do it, but it really shouldn't work for you. So now that you have that down, you have to go and face in the direction that you want to go, like this, and just hold A. And you should see yourself kind of glide against the wall. Now to go and move up or down on this slope, if you want to move down, point down. If you want to move up, point up. You can kind of launch yourself off. Same thing with the other wall. So the wall's on my right, so I'm holding D. Look down to go and gain speed. Launch off. Wall's on my right, hold D. Launch off. If the wall's on your left, then just simply hold A, just like this. I'm holding A right now. I let go, and I'm flying. Now to go and launch off, all you want to go and do is maybe look down for some speed, and you just slowly turn your camera up. And then when you go and get off the wall, turn right and hold D. So if you want to turn right in the air, just move your mouse to the right and hold D. If you want to move left in the air, move your mouse to the left and hold A. Just like that, that will let you turn. So with everything that I've already told you, you should be able to go on probably, with a bit of practice, just surf like this, turn, maybe go like this, and just turn over here. Can we make it? No, we can't. So now that is the very, very basics, but I'll just go and give a few more pointers for anybody that wants them. So starting off, to go and choose different maps, something that lots of people like to do. You have to go up to chat in the top left and just type in /server list, just like that. That will open up this menu. Here are just a ton of maps. On the right, it shows the amount of players, with 16 being the max. That's all you really need to know, that and what the map is. I'll just go to Utopia for the rest of the video, because Utopia is really fun. New maps, act the same, nothing's different. It's a different map, of course. Different map. And the final thing I'm going to show you guys before I end this off is how to go and change your styles. So, your style can be changed by typing in /style. And then in here, it will just have you a little list. So these are just kind of ways to modify your gameplay. You could play auto hop, which is the starting game mode. You can play backwards, fast. What all this makes you, it just kind of changes little parts of the game. I like playing on fast. I'm a fast player, which just means that everything I do is faster. So I'm able to go way faster like this. This is covered a bit more in my how to fly tutorial, kind of what I just did, getting a ton of speed there. There's also like other styles, like I don't know, backwards, in which you kind of have to. I'm pretty sure you just have to play the game backwards. Forget. It's not fun unless you like a challenge though. Backwards. Yep. So with backwards, you literally have to play backwards, as hard as it sounds. And that is all that I really have for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please consider subscribing and have a nice day.